If you're looking for a solid 65% mechanical keyboard, then the coolermaster CK721 is definitely one you should definitely consider getting. As compared to other mechanical keyboards I've seen available in the market, this one, the RGB lights are extremely bright and illuminates everything across the keyboard so evenly. And I also like the fact that a bunch of shortcuts, as you can see right here from this angle, they're all listed on this keyboard, so you don't really have to play that guessing game or memorize these things. Like you could actually visually see it right here. And you can create custom profiles, and these profiles can be made for a variety of different color themes that you're looking for your setup. As you can see, there's P1, P2, and all the way to P4. So they have a good variety of pre-saves you could create. Now the switches are TTC, and believe it or not, this entire keyboard is fully customizable, as you can actually remove this silver trim piece on the sides. In fact, this is actually made out of aluminum too, so it's actually built to last. But when you remove this, you have the freedom to basically spray paint this if you wish, but you can also buy other faceplates as well. And this little volume knob, it's also removable, and it's made out of metal. And yeah, even this little knob right here, that's no joke. It really is a solid keyboard. Now the overall weight of this keyboard definitely does have a nice weight to it. So as soon as you place it down on a flat surface, it's not gonna go anywhere. And in the back here, there actually is these little pop-up feet, and they have 2 levels to select from. And when it comes to dialing like the exact color you're looking for, you do have the hue axis, which you can actually go ahead and access by pressing on the coolermaster logo right here for the function key. And you can basically just tap on the keys, and this actually allows you to adjust the color to your own personal preference. So if we need a little bit of red, you can just continue adding red. It's so user friendly. And I really do like the fact that you really don't have to rely on its software, even though it is available, but it's optional. Now the specs of this aluminum 65% keyboard, basically it's today's standards in terms of modern mechanical keyboards. As there's 3 ways to connect this. It does support Bluetooth. You can actually pair up to 3 devices. You could create 3 set profiles for them here as well. And yes, it is using the latest Bluetooth. This one actually has Bluetooth 5.2. But if you don't want to use Bluetooth, there's a little door right here, which will actually unveil the little USB dongle you can use. And this has a standard 2.4 gigahertz. But if you want to go straight hardware, you do have a USB connection right here. This is a USB-C, and they do provide the cable. Just however, a thing I noticed upon ownership with this keyboard and playing with this and using it for quite some time is that USB port that they have right here. For the USB-C, you're gonna have to continue that USB-C to USB-A that they provide, because this whole opening is really small and narrow. It's really hard to find another third party or another random USB-C cable that I could plug in to charge. The keycaps, these are ABS keycaps, and the overall sound, here, take a listen, it sounds like this. Hope you guys enjoyed that ASMR action. That's basically how this mechanical keyboard sounds like, and it's not bad. Now, this does support multi-OS, because I'm actually a user who will use both an Apple, so I have a Mac OS computer like my MacBook Pro, and then on the side, I sometimes just hop on my Windows laptop. And switching between Mac and PC with this keyboard is really easy. You can literally just press on the little function key right here and just select the little Mac/window key, and it will do everything automatically without once more having to use the coolermaster software. So yeah, this 65% mechanical keyboard, out of the box, it's preloaded. As I mentioned, it comes with the USB-C to USB-A cable already. They provide you with the keycap puller tool, as well as a USB-C to USB-A adapter. They do also provide this like wrist rest, which is like a foamy, super comfortable, smells, but not for me, but it's nice that they throw that in at least. So my final verdict, this keyboard does retail for $119, in other words, $120. Compared to other 65% keyboards out there, this one actually does seem pretty solid. I like the fact that it's really small, compact, and it's really satisfying like traveling with this thing around. And if I want to go hardwire, old school, I can easily do so to prevent any latency when it comes to like gaming on Apex or something. But I do like the fact that it's not using like a regular like Bluetooth 5. The Bluetooth spec actually is bumped to the latest and greatest for 2022. But again, it's the RGB lights that I really do like. I'm telling you, the illumination that it goes through these keycaps has a nice glowing even look. It's super satisfying just to view. So there you guys have it. If you'd like to find out where you can find this product, I'll be sure to have links in the video description down below. So feel free to go check it out. And I also like the fact that it's continuing to use that coolermaster logo right here for the function key. So there you guys have it. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Greatly appreciate if you actually leave this video a like, as well as help me out a lot. And get subscribed, especially if you enjoy a lot of tech videos just like this. If you want to watch more stuff, see what else I cover on this channel, feel free to check out this video over here, as I cover 100+ things you could do with an Apple Watch. And in that video over there, that's just a video YouTube is recommending specifically for you. Let me know in the comment section if YouTube algorithm was right and you really did enjoy that video. If not, let me know as well in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. See ya.